brand Aire central air conditioner that I filmed running, or not running, when it was brand new. It still is brand new, actually. Here it is running. Suction lines, nice and cold and sweaty. 13 SEER, as you can see, and that's why I got the Grand Aire logo. Straight cool. 2014. It's that Guardian, still not hooked up. Let's see, does it have the little thing on it? No, it doesn't. That one just turned on. All of these are turning on. Grand Aire. There's some people over there giving me a look. Oh, they're not giving me a look. Probably wondering. Air heating and cooling. And this is a ICP product, I believe. Temp Star, Grand Aire, let's see, and Heil, I believe, are the same people. 13 SEER, this filter dryer. Pretty nice unit. You know, it's a pretty cheap, I mean, it's just like one made for people who don't want like a really fancy one. I don't know how to really explain it, but anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna get out of here before these people come over and ask me what the heck I'm doing. Out. This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.